Greetings, fellow truth seekers! Welcome back to Facts for Days, where we unravel the hidden language that we all speak, body language. In today's video, we'll delve into the intriguing world of non-verbal communication and uncover 10 mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. Get ready to decode the unspoken messages behind every gesture, expression, and posture. Fact 1. The power of non-verbal communication. Did you know that up to 93% of communication is non-verbal? We'll explore how our body language conveys emotions, attitudes, and intentions more powerfully than words alone. Get ready to discover the silent conversations happening all around you. Non-verbal communication. Body language is a form of non-verbal communication that includes facial expressions, gestures, posture, eye contact, and other physical signals. It plays a significant role in conveying messages and emotions, often complementing or contradicting verbal communication. Universality of body language. Certain aspects of body language are universally understood across cultures. For example, a smile is generally interpreted as a sign of friendliness or happiness, while crossed arms may indicate defensiveness or resistance. This universality suggests that body language is deeply ingrained in human communication. Influence on communication. Research suggests that nonverbal communication accounts for a significant portion of our overall communication. It's estimated that nonverbal cues contribute to around 70 to 80% of the message we convey, while words account for only 20 to 30%. Emotional expressions. Body language is closely tied to emotional expressions. Facial expressions such as frowns, raised eyebrows, or smiles can convey a range of emotions, including happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, and fear. These expressions can be instinctive and understood across cultures. Gestures and posture. Gestures and posture can convey a variety of messages. For example, leaning forward can signal interest and engagement, while crossed arms may indicate defensiveness or disagreement. Open and confident postures, such as standing tall with shoulders back, can convey self-assurance and credibility. Nonverbal cues in deception detecting. Nonverbal cues play a crucial role in detecting deception. Micro-expressions, subtle changes in facial expressions that occur within fractions of a second can reveal underlying emotions and indicate potential dishonesty. Body language inconsistencies and fidgeting may also be indicative of deception. Cultural differences. While certain aspects of body language are universal, it's important to recognize that cultural differences can influence nonverbal communication. Gestures, postures, and facial expressions may carry different meanings in different cultures. Being aware of these cultural variations is essential for effective cross-cultural communication. Impact on first impressions. Nonverbal cues significantly contribute to forming first impressions. Within seconds of meeting someone, we assess their body language to gauge their trustworthiness, confidence, and likability. Positive and open body language can help to create a favorable first impression. Power dynamics. Body language can reflect power dynamics in interpersonal relationships. Assertive individuals may use strong and confident body language, such as firm handshakes and maintaining eye contact, to project authority and influence. Submissive body language, such as avoiding eye contact or hunching shoulders, may signal a lack of confidence or submission. Nonverbal communication in professional settings. Understanding and utilizing effective body language can be advantageous in professional settings. Strong nonverbal communication skills, such as active listening, maintaining eye contact, and mirroring others' body language, can enhance communication, build rapport, and establish credibility. Overall, body language and nonverbal communication play a vital role in human interaction. Being aware of these cues and understanding their impact can significantly enhance communication effectiveness, improve relationships, and facilitate better understanding between individuals. Fact number 2. Universal body language. Certain body language cues transcend cultural barriers and are universally understood. We'll uncover the fascinating universality of nonverbal communication, exploring gestures, facial expressions, and postures that convey meaning across different cultures. It's like uncovering a hidden code of human connection. First up, facial expressions. Certain facial expressions are considered universal across cultures. For example, a smile generally indicates happiness, while a furrowed brow can signify anger or confusion. These expressions are thought to be innate and understood regardless of cultural background. Eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful form of nonverbal communication and is generally considered important in many cultures. Direct eye contact can convey attentiveness, confidence, and interest, while avoiding eye contact may indicate shyness, disinterest, or a lack of trust. Posture and body alignment. Certain aspects of posture and body alignment have universal meanings. For example, standing or sitting upright is often associated with attentiveness, confidence, and respect. Slouching or slumping, on the other hand, can convey disinterest or lack of engagement. Hand gestures. Some hand gestures have universal meanings or interpretations. For instance, a raised open palm is often seen as a sign of greeting, peace, or surrender. Pointing with the index finger can indicate direction of emphasis, while a thumbs-up gesture is generally associated with approval or agreement. Emotional expressions. While the intensity and display of emotions can vary across cultures, some emotional expressions are universally recognized. Basic emotions like happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, and fear tend to have similar facial expressions across different cultures. Personal space. The concept of personal space and the boundaries individuals maintain can vary across cultures. However, research suggests that most cultures have an understanding of personal space, and invading someone's personal space without permission can lead to discomfort or offense. Body movement. Certain body movements can convey similar meanings across cultures. For example, nodding the head up and down generally signifies agreement or affirmation, while shaking the head side to side typically signifies disagreement or negation. Vocal tone and intonation. While not strictly body language, vocal tone and intonation are significant aspects of nonverbal communication. The emotional tone and emphasis given to words can convey additional meaning and intention that is understood universally, transcending language barriers. Emblems and cultural variations. Emblems are specific gestures that have culturally specific meanings. These gestures, such as the thumbs up or OK sign, can vary in interpretation across different cultures. It's important to be mindful of cultural variations to avoid miscommunication or unintended offense. Context and individual differences. While there aren't universal aspects of body language, it's important to consider that individual differences and cultural norms can influence the interpretation and meaning of nonverbal cues. Context plays a significant role in understanding body language, as it can vary depending on the situation and cultural background. While there are certain universal aspects of body language, it's essential to recognize that cultural variations and individual differences can also impact nonverbal communication. Being mindful of these factors and interpreting body language in conjunction with a cultural context can help to ensure effective communication across diverse cultures. Fact number 3, the truth about liars. Can you spot a liar? We'll unveil the fascinating science behind detecting deception through body language. From fidgeting to inconsistent gestures, we'll explore the telltale signs that might give away a dishonest individual. Prepare to become a human lie detector? Here are some things to note. Nonverbal cues of deception. Research suggests that liars often display specific nonverbal cues that can indicate deception. These cues may include increased fidgeting, avoiding eye contact, inconsistencies between verbal and nonverbal behavior, excessive sweating, and self-touching gestures. Micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are brief, involuntary facial expressions that occur in a fraction of a second. They can reveal underlying emotions and may indicate deception. Micro-expressions can be challenging to detect, but trained individuals may be able to spot them. Inconsistencies in body language. Liars may exhibit inconsistencies between their words and body language. For example, they might nod their head in agreement while saying something contradictory. These inconsistencies can be subtle, but they indicate deception when observed closely. Increased nervousness. Lying can cause a physiological arousal, leading to increased nervousness and stress. This can manifest in behavior such as fidgeting, pacing, tapping fingers, or shallow breathing. Observing signs of nervousness can be an indication of potential deception. Eye contact and gaze avoidance. While avoiding eye contact alone does not necessarily indicate deception, it can be a potential red flag. Liars may consciously or unconsciously avoid direct eye contact to alleviate feelings of guilt or discomfort. Body language adaptation. Some individuals may be skilled at adapting their body language to mask signs of deception. They may intentionally control their movements, maintain consistent eye contact, or display relaxed and confident body language. Detecting deception solely based on body language can be challenging when dealing with highly skilled deceivers. Individual differences. It's crucial to consider individual differences when assessing body language and deception. Not everyone displays the same behavioral cues when lying. Some individuals may be more adept to concealing their emotions or manipulating their body language, making it harder to detect deception solely based on nonverbal cues. Context and baseline behavior. Understanding an individual's baseline behavior is essential when assessing deception. Some people naturally exhibit behaviors like fidgeting or avoiding eye contact even when telling the truth. Therefore, it's crucial to establish a baseline by observing their nonverbal cues during normal, non-deceptive situations. Cultural variations. Body language and its interpretation can vary across cultures. Certain behaviors that might be considered deceptive in one culture may be normal in another. It's important to be mindful of cultural differences when assessing body language and deception. Accuracy of detection. While non-verbal cues can provide some insight, it's important to note that detecting deception based solely on body language is not foolproof. It requires careful observation, context analysis, and consideration of multiple factors. The accuracy of detecting deception based on non-verbal cues alone can vary among individuals. It's important to approach the topic of deception and body language with caution, as no single cue or behavior can definitively indicate lying. Recognizing patterns of behavior, establishing baselines, and considering the broader context are crucial for a more accurate assessment of deception. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts that unlock the hidden language of body language. Nonverbal communication is a powerful tool for understanding others and expressing ourselves. I hope you enjoyed this captivating journey into the world of nonverbal cues. Until next time, remember to pay attention to the unspoken messages all around you.